So then that's a good thing. So he says you're gonna let us. So walk around to the driver's side.
YouTube, I am ratchet. My hair appointment's next, so I'm Latin about it today.
I mean, you got your peak, but
that looks fancy.
There you go.
Ooh, this is fucking pretty.
so clean, simple, splash of color.
Period. Okay. Now pop my top.
Your pop, you just gotta lift it.
What?
I'm scared. I'm gonna fall.
Mommy, lift your top.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm nervous. Ooh.
Mind you, it's pink or purple, however you see it.
Okay, so that's pink.
So, we
Ooh.
went with the lace, right? I know we pretty much narrowed it down to 2. The other one was a little too Hawaiian, I felt, for the theme. I thought this was a nice touch. Mind you, we added the Hellcats in the cups. Went that down. Honest feedback. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Is it meh? Does it need to grow on you?
No. Do I love it? Yes. Do I feel like it's still like too much white in the car? And now do I feel like I just need to hate it or something? Cause yeah, like I just feel like it needs. It's nice. Engine bay is tomorrow too, getting clean. But it's nice. I like it. I love it actually.
It's just the white.
Yeah, it's too much white for me. Like the white is just still like, yeah. I like it though. I do. Now that's pink. This is purple, you guys. We're not gonna do that.
It's all pink, just different shades.
No.
Yeah.
No.
We kind of ended up hitting it probably here, as far as our color.
See? Yep. And then
Probably
this.
right about here. This got a, I mean,
You see what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna say purple. I'm not gonna say purple, but it's definitely got a little more to it. I guess I don't know. It's pink. It's definitely pink, but it's got like a little bit of
Purple. That's the word you're looking for.
maybe a little bit of magenta or something. You
That's
know?
that's what she calls it.
Yeah, a little bit of magenta.
This is purple.
I can see that.
This swag.
Mommy.
It gotta be.
Mommy. Mommy, my
The hand be color.
So yes, we can still do the coolant covers. We can still do the ABS cover whenever that comes in. But I'm very proud of it.
I
think
am.
it's
I'm
pretty.
happy with it. I am.